Hello, everyone. Jesse Webb, TradersPro. Market conditions, bullish in a bull market, continuing that overall uptrend. Had a nice pop yesterday on some Fed news regarding interest rates, mentioning that they are planning on 3 rate hikes throughout the rest of this year at some point. Not necessarily defining when, but we are continuing to see momentum moving back to the upside, seeing breadth also strengthening as well, and sentiment really getting strong now here as well towards the upper end of that range now. So real good, strong bullish conditions. We certainly are still at the upper end of that range. That's our biggest risk right now, is that we are at the top end of this trend, and how much strength and how much more demand can be pulled in. I think the market still wants that interest rate clarity, and that is still in the process. Seeing bonds have a really volatile day yesterday. We've pulled up this chart a few different times, sitting right here at this support level. We'll see if we can get some support on bonds. We want to see those start to strengthen, and that will give an indication that the bond market believes that interest rates are going to be coming back down this year as well. So interesting day right there. We'll keep an eye on that going forward also. And if we take a look back at S&P 500, have a nice breakout confirmation bar here as well. We'll see if we get some continued follow through, but this really was has been this tight range inside of this around that 510 to 515 range, and breaking out of that level on S&P 500. Also seeing nice strength on really across the board on triple Qs, which is NASDAQ 100, good confirmation bar. Russell 2000, also nice confirmation breakout here as well. And then the Dow, a solid bar. So we'll see if we get some momentum built up this, especially in that Dow pattern right there. You can kind of see just how long, kind of flat this trend has been right here, and a nice confirmation breakout. Like I say, that could definitely add to some momentum right here. Let's take a look at commodities. We're seeing oil in this overall new uptrend now, still continuing to hold that support. And we've also seen gold. Gold had a big pop yesterday. Saw a lot of nice gold stocks moving higher with similar looking patterns. If we take a quick look here at some muscle stocks, lots of good looking names here in the group today. LSK. This is one of those Bitcoin miners that has been really volatile. We've been stopped out on some of these a couple of different times during this confirmation move here, a retracement. So another move here. A lot, Bitcoin's having a big, massive pullback here after this big rally. There's still opportunity here. It's certainly a volatile stock, but it does appear to be holding up around that $15, $17 range. Interesting setup there as well. And then also Carvana, which is a high flying stock. It's a big mover. It has, back during COVID, this stock just went straight up, hundreds, if not thousands of percent. You can see it's already up, 1,000%. It's a big mover. It has that potential to be able to have those kinds of momentum type moves, bouncing off support here at 75, and interesting name there on Carvana, and really lots of interesting names. Coinbase here as well. We're seeing that crypto move. We're seeing a lot of these, moves in crypto, the miners, and even Coinbase right here, as Bitcoin itself is pulling back. But there's definitely a shift in that trend moving back into cryptos. Keep an eye on Coinbase as well this morning. If you want to join me each morning in the Discord channel, there's a link below. It's called the Muscle Wheel Portfolio, that we are managing a stock trade each morning, and or entering into a stock pick each day, and then managing that throughout the trend cycle. I'd love to have you participate with us there. That'll do it for today's update. Everyone have a fantastic day today.